Hello, in front of me I've got FORD Focus. In this video I'll show you how to check tire manufacture date. To check tire manufacture date, take a look at any tire. All tires should be equipped with the special code starting with dot. Let me take a look at the tire where the code is at the top. So it will be easier for you to see. Okay, right here we've got the code. There is not always dot code, but after this serial number, we've got 4 numbers in the circle. First two number indicate manufacture week, and second two number indicate manufacture year. In this case, this tire was made in 36th week of 2025. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.